Using the power stack with the oscillating multi-tool, I'll be cutting this door casing, and then this actually works really well. I cut up a cabinet with it, and it actually did really well. Angle. Cuts right through, very fast. Probably feels a bit stronger than a 5 amp hour battery. Pretty much I like it. I mean, the power is there, very light, versus using this 5 amp hour battery for cutting drywall and door casings. This one went all the way through already, and knocking that one out. Power stack, I think I might change all my batteries to them.